Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share with you our comprehensive Foundations of AI course. We see this as a game-changing solution to one of education's most pressing challenges, preparing students for an AI-driven future. According to the AI for K-12 initiative, only 18% of high school students have access to comprehensive AI education. This is understandable in the rapidly changing landscape. But right now, 82% of our students are entering a world transformed by artificial intelligence without the foundational knowledge they need to thrive in it. What our students need is clear: deep understanding of AI systems, critical thinking and analytical skills, ethical awareness and responsibility, and technical foundations for their future careers. 66% of business leaders are now saying that they won't hire candidates without AI literacy skills. And demand for AI skills in job postings has exploded 257%, growing 5 times faster than the job market overall. What our students need is clear, and that need is only growing. At Edmentum, we have a course to meet the need. Foundations of AI is a one-semester comprehensive introduction to AI for students. Our course features 12 comprehensive modules that take students from foundational concepts through advanced application in a carefully scaffolded progression. We've integrated over 100 real-world examples spanning diverse industries and use cases because students need to see how AI impacts the world around them. And we've connected the content to more than 15 career pathways, from healthcare and automotive industries to creative fields and entrepreneurship. Students see themselves in this content and understand how AI connects to their futures. You can see here one of our graded discussion activities, where students engage with real-world AI applications across healthcare, entertainment, and business, fostering critical dialogue about AI's transformative impact. Our curriculum builds knowledge systematically, moving from foundational concepts to advanced applications. Each unit creates the scaffold for the next, ensuring students develop both breadth and depth of understanding. Unit 1 introduces students to what AI is and why it matters. Unit 2, students learn data collection, processing, and interpretation. Unit 3 covers machine perception fundamentals, speech recognition, and facial detection system, with an emphasis on critical evaluation of these systems. And Unit 4 brings it all together with hands-on experience. Students dive into neural networks and deep learning. Developing future-ready students means hitting 3 critical areas: deep technical foundation, where students understand how AI actually works; critical thinking, where students question AI systems, identify bias, and evaluate real-world impacts; and real-world applications, where students see AI's impact across every industry and understand that AI is already transforming the world around them. Let's drill down on that technical foundation. Our curriculum builds progressively. We start with data fundamentals, collection, analysis, and visualization techniques. Then we move on to machine learning so that students understand the mechanisms that power AI. Next comes machine perception, how algorithms see and hear the world. And finally, applications, how to build and deploy intelligent systems. Students don't just learn about AI, they create it. Critical thinking isn't a nice to have in AI education, it's absolutely essential. We have woven 6 dimensions of critical analysis through every module. Evidence-based analysis, where students are learning to distinguish facts from inferences in data analysis. Bias detection, they identify bias in data sets, algorithms, and AI outputs. Critical evaluation, students are separating AI hype from reality and assessing claims critically. Limitation analysis, they explore failure modes, edge cases, and scenarios where AI systems might break down. Ethical assessment, students analyze societal implications, weigh trade-offs, and consider diverse stakeholder perspectives. And fairness evaluation, they assess AI performance across diverse populations. One of the ways our course develops critical thinking is through how we structure content exploration. In this lesson, students click through 6 different types of perception algorithms. As they explore each algorithm type, they're prompted to think critically about questions like, what are the limitations of this technology? Where might bias enter the system? What are the implications when this technology fails or succeeds? This interactive approach transforms students from passive consumers of AI information into critical analysts who can evaluate these technologies thoughtfully. Theory is important, but students also need to experience AI to truly understand it. In this activity, students use an interactive simulation like Google's Quick Draw or Scratch Labs face sensing to explore how intelligent machines sense and process information from their environment. They focus on perception algorithms such as computer vision and discover how machines see and interpret objects. Then they describe their observations, making the abstract concrete. AI is transforming every industry, and our students are exposed to the impact of AI on multiple pathways through examples, assignments, and explorations, from healthcare to business to how AI is impacting creative industries like art generation and music composition. They read and learn about transportation and science like self-driving vehicles, research acceleration, and pattern discovery, and of course, education, personalized learning, accessibility tools, and adaptive content. Students see themselves in these applications, and they understand that AI literacy isn't just for computer scientists, it's for everyone. Foundations of AI was developed independently, but reflects the skills and competencies in the leading frameworks in AI literacy and computer science, including ISTE, CSTA, AI for K-12, OECD, UNESCO, and Digital Promise. This means when you implement foundations of AI, you're building essential competencies that align with everything your school and district is already working towards. We have built a comprehensive, standards-aligned course that builds critical thinkers who can navigate AI responsibly. We're not just teaching students about AI, we're preparing them to shape its future.